It's freaky. Stick your hand under a screen.
Wow.
Huh?
Holy crap.
Huh?
It is.
Feel the pressure?
Yeah, it is pouring here.
Yeah.
Oops.
That's what
Yeah, we are in Dover. It is
God.
pouring out here.
It's not Dover unless there's a good monsoon coming through.
That's my old man. Yeah, it is
Oh, man.
a really good time.
Sitting in the monsoon in his underwear.
Yeah, I'm the only one not drinking.
Honestly. Because you can hold the camera.
Yeah, it's pouring out here.
That's coming down. That's some pressure.
Yeah, it is. That is crazy. I'm glad we had this temper, not the pop-up we had last year.
Yeah, pop-up was dry.
Yeah.
We went to monsoons and stayed dry in that little pop-up camper.
Yeah, it's still nicer here.
Remember that shit?
Yep.
Cheaper. Let's spend all that fucking money on turning out.
Yeah, it's alright.
But hey, this trailer's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, really nice. Very nice. Alright, I guess that's it for now.